Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class, we'll discuss about the properties of set intersection operation. In our previous class, we clearly discussed about the properties of set union. Please watch that class and come back here. There we have discussed the how to derive the proof. The same methods we are going to use here. So coming to today's class, so the first 5 properties are very simple. So most of the exams they are not going to ask the derive the proof for these properties. The last one they are going to ask. So if you understand how to derive that, remaining things you can do it on your own. It is very simple. In our last class also we have done some examples. So let's take the first property. You already know what set intersection means. Intersection means we are having common elements. Set intersection is going to take the common elements that present between the two sets. We consider it as A intersection B. So now A intersection A equal to A. So if you combine these two, A intersection A means you are getting all the elements in A. So that is equal to A. So now coming to the next one, A intersection universal set equal to A. Universal set means all the elements that present in this universe, we call it as universal set. Inside that we are having A. Intersection means common elements. What's the common elements? A is the common element in universal set and A. So A intersection universal set is equal to A. Now coming to the next one, A intersection phi empty set equal to empty set. Empty set means nothing. Intersection of empty set and any other set is nothing because no elements in common. So phi. Now coming to the next one, A intersection B subset of A and A intersection B subset of B. Yes, with example you are going to understand it better. Let's take A intersection B means the common elements. That is definitely subset of A. Common element means it is present both in A and B. It is subset, common elements are subset to A. Common elements are subset to B. Let's take example. A is equal to 1, 2, 5. B is equal to 5, 6, 7. What is the common element? 5. 5 is subset of 1, 2, 5. Yes. 5 is subset of 5, 6, 7. So you can write it as A intersection B subset of A. Now coming to the next one, this is commutative property. A intersection B equal to B intersection A. Nothing wrong. Both are same. And the next one, associative property. A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. You write the brackets in anywhere. Brackets is not going to affect the output. Means you first do A intersection B. Whatever the output you got, you intersect with C. Similarly, we first do B intersection C. Whatever the output you got, intersect with A. You are going to get the same output. So we are going to show the proof for this. So in our last class, we discussed that if you want to show the proof for this, you consider this as X and this as Y. So X subset of Y and Y subset of X. If you show these two, then we can say that X equal to Y. This is the subset property from when we discussed about subset. So now coming to the first one, we need to show X subset of Y. So A intersection B intersection C subset of A intersection B intersection C. Let's take this X. Let X is an element that belongs to A intersection B intersection C. This can be written as X belongs to A intersection B and X belongs to C. This can be elaborated as X belongs to A and X belongs to B and X belongs to C. This can be modified as X belongs to A and X belongs to B intersection C. This can be modified as X belongs to A intersection B intersection C. Means we take an element that belongs to A intersection B intersection C and we show that this element belongs to A intersection B intersection C. Means this, whatever the element you take from here, it belongs to this. Means this is a subset of A intersection B intersection C. Similarly, if you show the opposite, take this and derive this. If you show both of them, then we can say that these two are equal. We are not going to show it again because it is very, very simple. You can continue that. So these are the properties of intersection. Hope you understand these properties. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.